lab, looking through the microscope. The little glass sides, they never lie. How can they?
Hey, what's up? It's doing that thing. Okay, we'll hold it that way. It's Goggles. We're back. I went to go grab some crawfish, and at Captain Johnny's down here in Willis. They're super cool. They let me fly my drone around, giving them a little shout out, and then like they were cool. Came out, talked about the drones, and then gave them a ride in the drones. Passed the extra pair of goggles around, and it was really fun. They also make really good food. So if you're in the Conroe, Willis, Houstonish area, they're located at 10875 Pecan Street, Willis, Texas. And then while I've got the drone footage going on, I'll flash the address down there. So shout out to Captain Johnny's, making some awesome food out here in Willis. Sorry it's not my GoPro. I'm having SD card issues and I need to go grab some more SD cards. But for right now, we're on the phone. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now and we'll go fly at Captain Johnny's and go have some fun. Woo!
We're running a little bit hot tonight. I can barely see the road from the heat coming on. Reach down between my legs, ease the seat back. She's running, I'm buying, right behind it, real me now. Got the feeling, but I was hearing, busy bobbing, ain't no stopping.
And we're back on the ground. I lost my shout out list, so I'm just gonna go and post edit and just bring up the old shout out list from last video that I did. So yeah, thanks for everyone watching. Woo, have a good one.
Alright, on to our shout outs. Our shout out list here on paper because we're fucking old school.
Joe Photo Leo, Will C, Bartman Dude, I hope you're alright. I haven't seen you post in like 6 months. Safe Zone FPV, Lambo Drives, Mountaineer FPV, Flapjack FPV, Off Axis, Bot Grinder, Spider Sugar, Blunty, Joshua Bardwell, XJet, RC Model Reviews, that's XJet's other channel, it's really cool, and Slat FPV, Grim Ripper, Staceman, Shaky FPV, Zoe FPV, and Granny FPV. Yeah! Anyways, thanks for watching my dumb videos. Yeah. Woo! Ah! Fucking bug in my ear. Shit.